If you haven't had Padrón peppers from Spain, these are amazing. You can get them at the grocery store and they're fantastic. They're sweet little peppers, and every once in a while, about 10 to 15% of them are spicy. So you get a little surprise every once in a while. But I like to make them in the summertime on the grill. So I've just heated up some oil in a cast iron pan, and here we go. Ready? Just cook them up. And you char them up over high heat in a cast iron pan in a lot of olive oil. Are you ever grilling in the summer and you're looking for the perfect appetizer to serve people beforehand? This is it. It is snackable, addictive, and it's so healthy. And all it is peppers and olive oil and salt. Delicious. Smells amazing. Your grill oftentimes can get hotter than your stovetop. So when your grill gets hot like this, you don't need very long. All you need is maybe 5-7 minutes, and these are gonna be done. Oh my gosh, they look perfect. Okay, so these are perfectly blistered. We're gonna put them right into a bowl from our cast iron pan. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna put some salt on them. So here they are, the perfect summer appetizer, Padrón peppers on the grill.